In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear hatch lift support on your Buick Enclave, located at the rear hatch. Now once you have the rear hatch open, you're going to locate the lift supports, one on the left side and one on the right side. Now before you remove these here, you might be experiencing a sagging rear lift gate or hatch unit. It might be wanting to bonk you in the head, so you want to go ahead and support that. Then you're going to take a small pocket screwdriver, and right here there's a metal clip. What we're going to do is get right behind this metal clip and gently pry that out. When you release that, you should be able to pull this unit off. It's basically a ball and socket. You don't have to pop the metal clip off completely, but mine just released. And then pop that off. Now there's just a ball stud right here, and then we have the socket. Now if I release this is going to come down and bonk me in the head. So you want to go ahead and support this properly. Pop that off. And then lower this down. And on the bottom side here, you're going to have the same style clip, but it's going to be on the opposite side. Go ahead and get your screwdriver in there. Pop that off. Go ahead and set that aside. Now these have the clips already installed, so all you have to do, clean off that ball, make sure there's no debris on that, line up the socket with that, and push it on. That is installed. Let's lift this up and do the same to the upper. Check the end here. If it's spinning around, go ahead and spin that around until it's tight. Go ahead and line that up and push it on. Give it a little tug, make sure it's secured. You're going to go ahead and repeat this process for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.